Hello everybody, Sanna here today. I thought I'd share with you one of my recent orders that I did at the Wycinanka store in Poland. And I used to be on the design team, I think it was back in 2014, and I really liked their product. So I thought I'd share some of the things I ordered with you, so to give you an idea about what they have at their store. First of all, they happen to sell these humongous 3D tape rolls, which measures, I think it's, how many inches? I think it's 12 inches wide, yeah. So this is a huge roll. It's really nice product, really good quality. I already ordered one a while back, and now when it was available at the store again, placed an order immediately. And they also have double-sided tape at the store. I haven't tried this one before, so I thought I'd order one and see what kind of tape that is and if I like the quality. You can buy stamps, stencils, chipboard and album wires and some other products at the Wycinanka store if you're interested in taking a look what they have. And besides to the tapes, I also ordered some chipboard designs, really lovely ones, really fine details, really well produced, good quality product. Look at this. This is so pretty. And some sort of, I think this is some kind of weed, different types of weeds that grow on the roadside, and really like those. Such delicate, fine designs and details there. And this is more for Christmas, but I thought I'd order it now while I was at it. And then they have these beautiful leaves, perfect for fall product designs or paper crafting projects or whatever. Even for table decor actually. And they are really pretty, and they have these, I ordered these sizes. I can't remember if there was a third size, but I've ordered both sizes I found at that moment. Really pretty leaves. Then some birds on a wire, and there are plenty in one set. Then a frame. This is a little bit bigger one. This one measures, let's see, 5.5 inches. And then there's a leaf which has really fine details, delicate designs. Really like this one. Should have ordered more, but yeah, I need to order more later when I'm done with these. And this one is really pretty too. I like this design of this doily. It almost looks like, I don't know, like something from the not lace type of doily, but more like organic design, if you know what I mean. Then there's a circle frame with some sort of flowers in there, really cute. I thought that'd be nice on a project. And then some frames. They have 2 in one set. Then some reindeer head designs for Christmas, and also some thicker wood veneer pieces. These are light bulbs. Still love light bulbs, and these were really cool, so I had to order these too. So I will be adding you the informations about the store. Like I said, this is just a private order. I'm not on the design team anymore, but I still love the product, and I thought I'd show you what they have, or what I chose from the huge selection of chipboard designs they have at their store. The website is available in German, in English and in Polish, so if you have trouble understanding Polish or German, you can always swap to English and place your order. So that's mine from today. Love this product, cannot wait to use it. And I hope you enjoyed watching this short unboxing. It's not really an unboxing because I've already opened the box, but you know, you get the idea what the product is about. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.